Hello students, today's question is find the unit normal to the surface 2x square plus 4yz minus 5z square is equals to minus 10 at point 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so basically what is the formula to find the unit normal to the surface? Okay, let us understand first. Suppose suppose 5 is the surface xyz is equals to C. Then unit normal to the surface is n cap is equals to gradient of 5 upon modulus of gradient of 5 at that point. Right? Okay. Now here, what is 5 function is given? 5 is 5xyz is 2x square plus 4yz minus 5z square plus 10. Correct? So this is our 5 given, right? Now we need to calculate the gradient of 5 and the length of gradient of 5. Then we can only define the n cap, right? So what is the gradient of 5 ka formula? So gradient of 5 is del 5 by del x I plus del 5 by del y j plus del 5 by del z k, right? So del 5 by del x denotes the partial derivative of 5 with respect to x. Del 5 by del y represents the partial derivative of 5 with respect to y, and del 5 by del z denotes the partial derivative of 5 with respect to z, right? So that means we need to calculate the 5x, 5y and 5z, right? Okay, now here we call it as a 1. First of all, we have to calculate the del 5 by del x, del 5 by del y and del 5 by del z, right? So del 5 by del x is equals to del by del x of what is 5 function? 2x square plus 4yz minus 5z square, right? So 2x square ka derivative 4x, it is independent of x, that means derivative is 0. Independent of x, that means derivative is 0. So derivative is 4x only. So del 5 by del y of 2x square plus 4yz minus 5z square. So 2x square, that means it is independent of y, that means it is 0. 4yz, that means it is 4z only, and z square, that means it is independent of y, that means derivative is 0. So derivative is only 4z. Now del 5 by del z, del 5 by del z. So del by del z of 2x square plus 4yz minus 5z square, right? 2x square independent of z, that means it is 0. 4yz, that means it is 4y minus 10z, right? So we can write now gradient of 5, del 5 is equals to del 5 by del x. Put this in 1, right? So it is 4xi plus 4zj plus 4y minus 10z k. Now, so this implies del phi by, we need to calculate the gradient at the point 3 minus 1 2. So 3 minus 1 2. So this is equals to x का value is 3, y का value is -1 and z का value is 2, right? So 4 3s are 12i minus plus 4z, that means it is 8j plus -4 minus 20k. So that means it is 12i plus 8j minus 24k, right? Okay. So this implies gradient of 5 is 12i plus 8j minus 24k. Now we need to find the length of this. So modulus of del 5 is square root of 12 square plus 8 square plus minus 24 का square. So square root of 144 plus 64 plus 576. So it is 784 and it is 28, right? So this implies what is n cap ka formula? It is gradient of phi, that means del phi upon modulus of del phi. So it is 12i plus 8j minus 24k upon 28. So 12 by 28. So 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are. So 4 by, sorry, it is 4 3s are 3i by 7 plus 8 by 28, 4 2s are and 4 7s are 2j by 7 and 4 6 are minus 6k upon 7. So this implies n cap is equals to 1 by 7 3i plus 2j minus 6k minus 6k. So this is the unit normal vector to the surface. Okay. So thank you.